Imagine hundreds of intelligent drones flying together with perfect coordination, sharing information instantly and adapting to changing conditions. This technology, known as drone swarming, is becoming one of the most exciting areas of modern military research. Unlike a single drone operating on its own, a drone swarm is designed to work as a coordinated team, sharing information and adapting as a group. Instead of relying on one aircraft, the swarm distributes tasks among many drones, improving flexibility and resilience. Advances in artificial intelligence are making it possible for drones to assist with navigation, coordination, and data processing while remaining under human oversight. Drone swarms could support missions such as surveillance, search operations, communications, and battlefield awareness. Swarm technology also has potential beyond combat, including locating survivors after disasters and assisting emergency responders. Electronic warfare. Some drones may be equipped for electronic warfare, supporting communications or helping detect and respond to electronic interference. Challenges. Drone swarms face technical challenges, including communication reliability, battery life, weather, and protection against electronic disruption. Counter-drone systems. As drone technology advances, defense systems are also evolving to detect, track, and respond to unmanned aircraft. The technology race. Around the world, governments and companies continue researching autonomous systems, advanced sensors, and next-generation drone capabilities. The battlefield of tomorrow. Future battlefields may include drones working alongside aircraft, ground vehicles, ships, and human operators in coordinated networks. Looking ahead, drone swarms remain an active area of research, and future advances could improve autonomy, coordination, sensing, and communication. Call to action. If you enjoy learning about military technology and the future of defense, subscribe to WarTech. Which emerging technology should we explore next? Let us know in the comments. Drone swarms are one of the fastest growing areas of military technology research. As technology advances, they could play an even larger role in surveillance, logistics, and defense operations. Which future military technology would you like us to explain next?